Hello, my name is Simon Cassar. I'm the owner of FlexSweep, and thank you so much for buying our Squeegee. And it is the world's finest and toughest squeegee, and we're excited to show you how to put it together. We've had a lot of people saying, hey, I love your squeegee, but how do you put it together? Well, I'm glad you asked. We're going to show you. So you get it like this. First thing you want to do is take off the two wing nuts. Okay, these are called wing nuts. And you remove these wing nuts. And then you take the scraper, flip it upside down like that so the protruding ends are up. Okay, then take the handle off. But we want to remove these two lock washers. They're attached there. You want to remove them. Then put the scraper over the two bolts, laying flat on the frame. Then take the handle, put it over the two screws. Take your two lock washers, put them down over the connector, then put your two wing nuts onto the bolt and tighten them up. Once you tighten up, you are done. I don't know how long that took, but some guy, no offense, because I did not have instructions, it took him 20 minutes. And I owe you a big, I am so sorry, all right? So if you want to ever give me a call, I'll see what I can do to help you out on that, okay? Now, that's it. You're done. You're ready to squeegee, okay? Now, I'm going to show you one of the reasons this is the world's finest and toughest product. First, it's shock absorbing. You can smash it, bang it, and so on. I didn't tighten these all the way up, but you can smash it, bang it, and it will flex. The actual handle will flex right at this joint here. But the other exciting thing is you can change this blade so this blade, as it gets worn out, and all blades do wear out, you can remove these four wing nuts, take them out, and you can flip the blade over so the unused side is now on this side. So now you have twice the amount of wear you're able to get on this squeegee versus our competitor. 100% more of the squeegee wear than a competitor, lasts twice as long because you can get both sides of the squeegee blade. This side and the other opposite side. Once you remove the wing nuts, flip it over, and you can then get the other side. I want to say thank you for buying FlexSweep and buying the world's finest and toughest cleaning tools. Made in USA. Thank you very much.